Hello friends, welcome to my channel Physics with Rakshit. In the present video, I am going to explain Einstein's field equation. Firstly, I will describe mathematical equation by describing each and every mathematical quantity. Thereafter, I will explain the interpretation of this equation. So let's start. In Einstein field equation, that is r mu nu minus 1 half r g mu nu plus lambda g mu nu is equal to 8 pi g over c raised to 4 t mu nu. Let me start with Ricci tensor, that is r mu nu. Ricci tensor is a measure of how any shape is deformed along with the geodesic when one moves in the space-time. Second mathematical entity is Ricci scalar, which measures curvature in the Riemannian manifold. Third mathematical entity is metric tensor, which can be represented in the mathematical form as G mu nu is equal to matrix, that is given like this way. Fourth mathematical entity is cosmological constant. Initially, Einstein didn't add cosmological constant in his equation, but to prove steady-state theory, Einstein afterward added cosmological constant. Thereafter, after few months, Einstein called this discovery as the biggest blunder of his life. But today, it has been proved to be very useful discovery. Why? Let me explain. If we consider value of cosmological constant lambda is equal to 0, it means universe is in steady state. If we consider lambda positive, it means our universe is expanding. If we consider value of lambda negative, it means our universe is contracting. According to experimental evidence and by Hubble's law, we can say that at present our universe is expanding with acceleration. That is why this discovery is very useful. Next mathematical entity is stress energy or energy momentum tensor. It is a measure of density and flux of energy and momentum in the curved space-time. And another two mathematical entities are two physical constant, that is gravitational constant and speed of light. In Newtonian mechanics, Newton only gave the equation of the value of gravitational force, that is F is equal to g m1 m2 over r square. But you cannot tell how gravity works. It means the mechanism behind how gravitational force works using Newtonian mechanics. To explain the mechanism, one has to use Einstein's general theory of relativity. So if I define first two terms, that is r mu nu minus 1 half r g mu nu as Einstein's tensor, that is g mu nu, and if we consider value of cosmological constant lambda is equal to 0, and by simplification one can have this equation, that is g mu nu proportional to t mu nu. It means, again I want to state the sentence that was told by famous theoretical physicist John Wheeler, that is mass tells space-time how to curve, space-time tells mass how to move. So left hand side's portion defines curvature and right hand side's portion defines mass. So here Einstein has established relationship between mass and curvature. That is why this equation is very useful. With the aid of non-Euclidean geometry or curved geometry or Riemannian geometry, we can establish relationship between curvature and mass. This is the beauty of Einstein's field equation. Second thing is, because of the presence of cosmological constant, with the aid of Einstein's field equation, we can explain universe whether it is expanding, contracting, or in the steady state theory. So this is the beauty of Einstein's field equation, and using this equation by comparison or by analogy we can understand quantum field theory, quantum gravity theory very easily. That's why I also like this equation very most. So in the present video I have explained Einstein's field equation in the popular way. If you have any question you can ask in the comment section without any hesitation. Thank you very much again.